Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 if it won't boot after a Windows update. If your computer keeps showing the automatic repair or startup repair screen, select Advanced Options to open the recovery menu. Next, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates. Start by choosing Uninstall Latest Quality Update, since these smaller updates are the most common cause of boot problems. Follow the instructions on your screen and wait for Windows to remove the update. Once it's finished, restart your computer and check if Windows starts normally. If uninstalling the update does not solve the problem, go back to Advanced Options and select System Restore. If System Restore was enabled before the issue started, you'll see a list of restore points. Pick one that was created before the Windows update was installed, then continue with the restore process. If Windows still refuses to boot or you don't have a restore point, return to the Advanced Options screen one more time and select Reset this PC. Choose the option to keep my files. This reinstalls Windows while keeping your personal files, although your installed apps and settings may be removed. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the reset process to finish. Thanks for watching.